we got a 23 Badlands Sasquatch package, big Bronco. We're gonna do the alarm install. ML3Z kit, module, wiring, instructions. Inside the instructions, there's a small dongle that goes in here. This is the basic remote start function. So we'll go ahead and already install that, just have it set aside here. We're gonna take the glove box down first. So we'll pop the glove box. There is a shock absorber rod here. We'll go ahead and disconnect that. Go ahead and push up and then pull it out here. Just kind of tuck it out of the way. There's two prongs, one side here, one side here. Allows the glove box to drop all the way out. Once that happens, we'll actually remove the entire glove box. And put my light back up over here. Helps a lot. All right, so next step here, to make it a lot easier, we're going to remove this kick panel. Put it off to the side. We're also going to remove the kick panel here. So we'll just pop this off here. And then we'll pull one more right behind it. One there, and there's one right back here. So those two pop out. Grab it from the back side here, kind of weasel it your way out. So this whole panel comes out. We'll set this off to the side. That just gives us a lot more open room to work with our hands this way and everything like that. So the gateway module is here. I like to pull this out of the way just so we have some more room. You can see gateway module. I reach under and allows me to get my hand right back behind here and pull it out. So for now, I just push it up to the top here, let it sit there, and I grab my wiring. I grab my wiring, the latch goes this way towards the back. To give myself enough room, I kind of bend it this way. I find my area. Kind of set it up right here. And we'll find line it up in the slot. And you're kind of working blind. If you're righty, you're working with your left hand. There we go. Once it slides in, we'll go ahead and just push it up until it locks. You'll hear it snap in. It's locked. And then this will go into here. That's all latched. I just position it this way and let it sit right in here. The alarm brain, we're actually going to mount to the top side of this bar right here. We're just going to mount the module up above the glove box area, just like that. All right, now that I guys got you positioned right there so you can see the top bar that we're gonna mount the module to, we're just gonna position it this way, put two zip ties around it and tighten it down. So now you wanna connect your wiring to your module. Set your sensitivity, not too sensitive, not too light. And we're gonna just put it right up top here. Once we put it up top there, we'll grab some zip ties out of the box. Two zip ties will be good. First one will just go around the bar first, and we'll slide the module into the zip tie loop. Just kind of barely start it. Put one there. Get it all the way back. Cinch it down, and then we'll go ahead and do one more. That's really solid. It's not going to go anywhere. Go ahead and trim our zip ties up nice and flush. See, so the module is now mounted, good to go. We're going to nicely tuck this wiring back behind the panel. Like I said, this stuff is nice just sitting right here. So there's no wires dangling down or anything like that. And there's a bunch of other areas you can zip tie this to, but it's very not necessary. So before we put everything back together, we'll go ahead and test it. So what I usually do, I always have the key with me. I go ahead and walk around to the other side. I'll be able to start the vehicle. For right now, I'm just gonna hop up here and press the brake and start it. I'm gonna let it run for about 15 to 20 seconds. And as it runs, I'll shut it off. You'll hear the doors click. Hazards flash means it is programmed. So what we'll do is make sure we lock the vehicle. It will double honk because I have this door open. And you hit lock, unlock, lock. And basic remote start function is working. Lock, unlock, lock. The vehicle is shut off. Make sure it's unlocked to continue putting everything back together in the reverse order. And so we'll start with putting the stopper for the glove box back in. Push it down. We'll grab the side panel that goes here. The side panel that goes here. And the kick panel area door sill. Just lay that in there like that. Make sure it clears the top side. That's latched in, and we'll go ahead and grab the door seal. It's gonna go right here. right, that's all lined up. We'll go ahead and grab the glove box as well. Glove box all the way down. Line it up into the clips. And we'll make sure that the stopper gets connected back up. Alright, so that's functioning just fine. We'll go ahead and close that up. This is all back together here. This is all back together here, and your install is finished. Alright, so once you're done doing your install, you're going to test the remote start function. We're going to make sure the vehicle is locked. And then we're going to hit lock, unlock, lock. The vehicle will start. Okay, one more time. Lock, unlock, lock. Vehicle shuts off. Alright, we're going to test the shock sensor as well. Like I said earlier in the video, you don't want it too sensitive or not sensitive enough. Kind of a good happy in between, about between quarter and halfway on the knob on that module. So we'll just tap the dash here with a good firm hand. It sets it off right there.